Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the handbook version and jurisdiction because guidance changes by date and state. Once logged, use the table of contents and targeted search terms to land on audit or tax sections quickly. Make sure to note effective dates and transitional rules. This prevents following superseded procedures. Immediately flag the scope, client type, year-end, and materiality thresholds, and list the specific forms like Form 1099 you'll need. This gets you into action without wasted setup time. You now map handbook procedures to your engagement checklist so every requirement has an assigned task owner. That's why mapping matters. As you perform steps, cross-reference professional standards against handbook examples and local rules to resolve conflicts. Take concise notes on how you applied a requirement and include citations and sample calculations. This explains the why for reviewers and regulators. Once done, confirm evidence links and page references so you can prove compliance and reconstruct decisions in one clear trail. You finish by running a final walkthrough against the handbook checklist, confirming all sign-offs and recording dates and initials. This seals accountability. Make sure to archive annotated pages and working papers with clear version control so future reviewers can trace changes. If you encounter conflicting guidance, escalate immediately to a technical reviewer and document the rationale for your chosen approach. This preserves defensibility. One troubleshooting tip: if a citation seems wrong, recheck the handbook effective date before assuming an error. Most issues are version mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.